Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Wazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage.
You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
Alright guys, so in the last video I said I ran out of gas, right? Well, now I got new things to show you because I got a welding jacket. Thank you, Pop. I appreciate you for helping me out with this and helping me out with the other thing that I got. So I ran out of gas and I needed more gas. So what do? You get more gas, obviously. But seeing how I have a big spool of wire and that gas wasn't going to cut it because it was so short and it already, it went out in a month. So I got a lot more welding to do. We upgraded to this bad boy. Remember the last tank? Came to right here? Yep. Big boy. Big boss. Big boy. Big boy. So obviously it's too late for me to weld. It's too dark and it's going to rain. So tomorrow I'll be in here. Probably crack open the door, get some of the fumes out of this. But I'll be in here and I'm going to be doing the inside of the car again. Because I got a lot more to do. Jam out with my clam out, rock out with my cock out, and I'll just fucking get it all done. Alright guys, it's another day and it's raining. But I got the rim off, I got the suspension off, I got the everything else off, and I started welding here. So now the hole that was right there is no longer there. It's all one piece. Like this is all one piece. Again, my welds are not the greatest, but they do penetrate the metal. That's all that matters. Started getting this all the way through. Let me turn on the light for you guys real quick. It's hard for me to see on my screen because my screen's covered in dust, but it went all the way through, all the way, and I got just this little area right here to fill in, and then that little area over there in the corner. I'm not trying to touch anything because I'm not trying to get third-degree burns. But other than that, everything's all welded, and it looks pretty good. Now, I think the reason why Chris Sadowski left it like this for me, and I was thinking about it as I was welding, because he left it with a hole right there, was because he wanted me to have a challenge to test myself. And I think I succeeded. So, thank you, Chris. I think I caught onto your little message that you were trying to leave me. If that wasn't it, then I just sound stupid. But this jacket has been doing wonders for me. For one, I'm not cold. For two, I didn't get any burns. For three, these gloves, Miller gloves, well, the Lincoln gloves, definitely recommend. These things are comfy. They're not all big and bulky, and they stop right here at the sleeve. But man, I'm sweating right now because it's hot in here, but out there it's cold. So I got like the mixture of the both, you know, so it's really annoying. But after I get all this done, I have a problem, a slight problem. I got to figure out what's wrong with my suspension. Normally you would see the camber kits like this, right? Now see this looks normal because I got a DAEF. They're kind of bent sideways. But if you look at that, this dips lower than it should. It almost like it was kind of forced down. Now, if you guys can comment down below in the comments and tell me if you think that's going to affect anything, I would greatly appreciate it. If not, I won't run this thing, but I always run these things. But yeah, it's bent right here. Like it goes down that way. And that's what bothers me. Other than that, it looks normal here. Except here. Oh, this is a better way to see it right there. You see how it kind of bends down where my finger is right here? Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. I could hit up K-Tune and ask, hey, do you guys have a replacement? Because I'm pretty sure these are still on warranty. But I don't want to because I don't want to deal with all the trouble and the hassle. But as for now, I'm going to take a little quick break because it's hot and I am overheating in this jacket because I have a sweater underneath and a long sleeve. So I am overheating, plus this doesn't help because this is heavy and it makes my head hot. So like I said, I'm going to take a quick break, let that cool off a little bit because you don't want the metal too hot because then it starts to warp. So yeah, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? You guys doing okay? Alright, so I see these holes, and these holes annoy the hell out of me, so I took some steel that I use as practice steel and my bench grinder, if you will. This is literally what I did. Held it like that, took a piece of metal and rounded it out, So this part right here is for this piece right there. And this was a square. And this little piece I'm going to form right into there. Bam. So I'm going to hammer it in a little bit and make that have it the indentation. And then I'm going to make 2 other small ones for this one and this one. And then these are the clips for the cable. I need that obviously. And yeah, and then I'm going to do the same for that. And the same for maybe for the little holes. But you got to tack this in. Just tack it in once around. I'll show you guys how I do that. But as you can see, it still needs to form to it because this is straight and that's an indentation. See? So let me form this real quick. Okay, so the hole is done. The hole is gone, but you see this part right here. That's my fault because I was trying to fill everything in and be super crystal clean, and my dumb ass fucking blew a hole through it. So that's gonna stay because if I go any further, it's gonna be just this metal, which is not this metal. This has a lot more, like, I don't know. You can't really hear it because it's all one piece now, but it's done. That's done. This is done. Still need to get my bench. Whoa, where is it? That. I need to get that and right here on the sides, on that side, and then it should be one piece. I don't care that it protrudes out. I don't care that it's not flush. Don't care. As long as the holes are gone, that's all that matters to me. This is all done. Need to get this side still. So now what I'm going to do for these 2 holes is something a little bit more challenging. Instead of rounding it off, I'm going to take this square and I'm going to set it right in there like that, and I'm going to build weld around it. So I mean, when it gets grinded down, you can't tell that it's, you know, it's a square. And for this piece, I has this little guy right here, and I'm going to take him and put him straight across, and then I'm going to build weld on top of him, and then he's going to fill in the hole. But first I got to get rid of that little bit of rust right there, and some of the back that's right there. Yeesh. Then I will fill in the hole, baby. Okay, no problem. So that one's on there, right? The reason why I didn't use this piece is because if you look very carefully, there's a weld there, and I cannot sand this for the life of me because it's too small, and that's just a waste of time. And there's a whole bunch of rust that's right in there, and I don't want that to go into there and then build up over time because of moisture and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is jump that little goddamn piece, and I'm going to cut a corner, and I'm going to cut a corner, and I'm going to stick it right over there, right over the goddamn hole. Oh, belly. I should probably just grind this down flat, and that's probably what I'm going to do, so that way it makes my life a lot easier. So I'm going to grind it down there. Bam! It's already grinded down and flatten out. I was going to say smooth. So now what I got to do is cut another piece. Cut another piece, fill in the piece. Drop a goddamn glove, son of a bitch! But if y'all know me, this ain't called Lazymangarage for nothing, because now it's time for my smoke break. So hang tight. If I'm not back in the next 5 minutes, just wait longer. Yard. It's all said and done. This is I always use this because I don't have weldable primer. Rust stop. Machine and implements. Whatever. Weather resistant, prevents rust, and seals and protects. This is for my grandpa's truck, but fuck it. If it does the job, focus. Come on, focus. Focus. Why is it not focusing? But this is all said and done. Still haven't welded that, but I will in a minute. I'm just hungry, I haven't eaten. Still see this hole right here I gotta fill, and there's a another hole around here somewhere that I need to fill. Damn. Oh man, tired. Now I'm inside my house, and that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Yes, I am white, but we do have spices, and yes, we do use them. If you guys need anything for your motor, make sure you hit up SB Machine Shop. Link is down below to their Instagram. If you need anything for your car, motor, parts, whatever, hit up OMO Motorsports. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.